how to remove all viruses and malware from your PC and repair your Windows system. If you think your computer might be infected or if you're just doing a routine check, stick around. We've got you covered with an easy to follow guide to get your system back to top shape. Let's dive in. The first thing is removing malware is to disconnect your PC from the internet. This helps prevent the malware from spreading or communicating with external servers. Disconnect Ethernet services if you're using a wired connection. Turn off Wi-Fi. Click on the network icon in the taskbar and then select disconnect or turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Next, boot your PC into safe mode. This limits Windows to essential drivers and services, which helps in removing stubborn malware. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type in misconfig and press enter. In the system configuration window, go to the boot tab. Here, check the safe boot option, then select Minimal. Click apply, then OK and restart your computer. Your PC will restart in safe mode, which is ideal for malware removal. Now with your PC in safe mode, it's time to run a full malware scan. We'll use trusted tools to do this. Open Windows Defender. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings, Privacy and Security and Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan option and do the full scan. Click Scan Now and wait for the scan to complete. Windows Defender is effective for basic scans, but you may want to use additional tools for a thorough check. After the scan are complete, review the results and follow the prompts to remove any detected threats. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have successfully removed malware from your PC and repaired Windows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.